Okay, this is video number 2 on repairing the Technics RSTR311 tactile switch. Okay, the stop switch on the record deck. Okay, so you can see the two different switches now. Okay, the red ones are the original ones. This black one is the one I just put on. Okay, so I recommend that you wrap your alligator clips with some electrical tape so they do not damage the board in any way. Okay, so also make sure that the height is the same on these switches. Okay, so when you're looking at them, make sure they're all the same height. But it's in there exactly like the other ones are. It's all soldered in. It feels really nice. You can hear it click. The old one right here, okay, it just didn't have that click anymore. It just feels like it's dead. So my guess is it wasn't completing the circuit. So when soldering the new one in, I just put a little bit of tin on the leads, okay? Put a little bit of flux on it, put a little bit of tin on it, okay? Then I used a little bit of copper wire to absorb the old solder on the back of the board. Okay, I just put some flux on this and I laid it down here, put the soldering iron on it to wick up the solder. Okay, so the new switch would slide right in, okay, soldered right in. So this is all ready to go back inside the cassette deck now. Okay, now reinstalling this back into that Technics RSTR311 is the same process as when you're taking it apart, just in the reverse order, right? So, but this part is done. The switch is in the board, ready to go back into the deck. So this will be it for video number 2. Okay, so I'm going to start the reassembly process, and that will be the third video, the third and hopefully the final video, where you get this reassembled and test it, and we'll see if it is successful. But right now, I'm very happy with how this has turned out. Time to start putting it back together. Video number 3 will be up shortly.